Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Well, a good Sunday evening to everyone. As we're seeing some fog roll in near the coastline, it hasn't made its way inland just yet. We're looking at a live shot at our Nissan Automotive 6 weather bug off in Kingsville. Temperatures into the middle to upper 70s, but we have a dense fog advisory for the entire coastal bend, even a marine dense fog advisory for the offshore waters. This begins at about 9 o'clock tonight and goes to about noon tomorrow for the entire area. Our southern counties from Jim Hogg, Brooks, and Kennedy County, that lasts until 9 o'clock in the morning. Certainly use caution if you have overnight travels. Give yourself some extra time. Use low beam lights and again, just get to your destination safely, as the visibility is already zero out at the Naval Air Station. In fact, as we looked earlier on our Skycam, it still can't see a whole lot near the coastline, and that's just going to continue to progress inland as we go into the evening and overnight hours. By 10 o'clock tonight, the good majority of us near the coast, only about 0 to 1 miles, a quarter of a mile or less is going to be highly likely there. And going into about 7 o'clock in the morning, almost everyone will see visibility be about 0 to 1 mile early in the morning. So again, use caution. Why is it there? Because we have a lot of low-level moisture in place. All the dew points are in the 60s. Those are pretty close to the actual temperatures, which are in the 70s right now, but a little bit warmer for our inland areas with south-southeasterly winds being fed, all that moisture coming in off of the Gulf of Mexico. Satellite radar composite shows plenty of cloud coverage. We have warm, humid air coming in off the Gulf. We have a good tap coming in off of the Pacific as well. So the cloud coverage not going anywhere anytime soon. These frontal boundaries that are up to the north, they look promising and want to come this way, but they're going to have to wait for this storm system up into the northwest to get its act together and reinforce those frontal boundaries. Cold air still up to the north, but we're sitting in a bubble of mild temperatures for us here. We got to wait for this upper level disturbance to dig on down to push that frontal boundary through, and that'll happen late in the week, going on into late Thursday and on into Friday. But the cloud coverage does stay with us in the short term and into the long term as well. Even a few little sprinkles as well, not a big deal, but again, the cloud coverage is going to stay plentiful. Our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast shows 64, 77 tomorrow, 64 and 78 on Tuesday, staying warm and humid all the way through Thursday until the next frontal boundary arrives. Then it's cooler for the short term, couple of showers, but back into the 70s by Sunday of next week. Stay with us. Jeff Dubroff is next with sports.